Independence Day is a special day when we celebrate the freedom of our country. A long time ago, many years ago, our country was under the control of another country called Britain. The people of our land wanted to make their own decisions and be in charge of their own country. Brave leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru inspired people to come together and fight for freedom. They used peaceful ways like protests, marches, and boycotts to show that they wanted their rights. On August 15, 1947, our dream came true. India became an independent country. People were so happy and proud. They waved the Indian flag, sang songs, and celebrated with joy. Since then, every year on this day, we remember and honor those who worked hard for our freedom. Independence Day is a time for us to feel grateful and remember the sacrifices made by our heroes. We celebrate by hoisting the flag, singing the national anthem, and enjoying colorful parades and fireworks. It's a day to feel proud to be Indian and remember the importance of freedom and unity.